Are you back again? Oh, this is little boy. Come here. Come on, little boy. Come on. I got some up here. Hi, buddy. Here. You have quite a scar on your back. Little boy's easy to tell. One of his stripes ends prematurely on the left side. It's about this much shorter than all the other chipmunk stripes. But he's easy to tell because of the scars too. He's the oldest chipmunk. He's going on 3 years old. He got here September. Will be 3 years. And he's a smart chipmunk. But they all are. But Boomer and little boy, they know when I'm hiding peanuts. They can tell by my actions, I guess, when something's up. It's hard to explain.